Kẹp lại nó chặt lên đi dưới cái Manipuri đó bay through này yang sih kemarin tau gak ba so ini yes sila ini na putih je sigil lagi sih maka pula nih yang kom na yang aduk ke so guys I already have masks hand glove and sanitizer everything I have so let's go kẹp lại mà phải đó thầy kẹp các lagi si kẹp sini hi hi sir
Good morning.
how are you
I am fine, sir. You?
okay I'm good guys I'm heading towards airport Bangalore airport it's 2.8 kilometer from here now it will take another 3 to 5 minutes so it's quite fresh here yeah guys I reached Kempegowda International Airport yeah airport is not like before it's very quiet here before it was very tight here crowded now it's very quiet morning the level sida ai temperature check tore sida mi lep pise the temperature check tore ne yeah here we're going to take print out for baggage yeah you just need to scan here that's it so sir is helping me thank you 이 로고가 아사나 합전자거든요 시다 so
no problem battery in your bag, right?
yes nothing excuse me can I take like disinfectant spray and all like in hand baggage
Only the sanitizer spray only. You can
okay
carry.
okay
Not all kind of.
okay and now I don't have but I just want to know
Yeah.
yeah I draw my baggage here done right
There is nothing, right?
yeah
No
nothing
problem.
bye bye see you in Imphal yumdagi boarding pass print out tropose if you guys have printed out from home then you have to check the gate number over here in the display so mine is not here 1982 151982 Imphal Gauti Bangalore okay gate number 20 so guys I have to go gate number 20 now so I'm heading towards gate number 20 wow no one is here before when I come here it's a lot of people here over here so here's the security check-in so let's start security checking over here done with the security check-in now I have to wait for the flight I have to go towards gate number 20 so guys let's see where is gate number 20 so guys mine is gate number 20 so I have to go down here so let's go down ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯅ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯄꯤꯔꯣ Sana checksalladi dum designated travel tawba. Wow. So now get number 20 thiraje to de kale sun tap tai ngai dharame 19 yeah other lap no re 20 so yum hey is there storm like this there collapse na layo de yum hey kuyam ji later it's like just now I got my traveling kits. Yeah, this is my kits. Traveling kits from AirAsia. I think they have provided this PPE like for some passengers. I think that those passengers are like they're going to sit 3. I think so. Let's get inside and we'll know. For me, my seat number is 7F. So let's start using. Yeah, I'm using my marks only. So I'll just. Okay. Yeah. This is quite good. We have a sanitizer here. Guys, in this situation you have to take care of yourself here. Front no one, side no one, side no one. Yeah, because in this situation you have to take care a lot, so just you have to be alone. You should not be in the crowd place. See, because you see here so much of crowd. The situation will be quite last down for it. Like I'm the last one, no one is here, so better to go in last. So you have to take care of yourself. Here is my favorite airlines. Lere hadagti hindi ko tong sangra. So, koi Manipuri airlines AirAsia aron pungai. AirAsia Manipur lai gamne. So, I just mamang wai dena dakane from the Manilanda Nikraka lai. So, quite last takat ne wai na. I de situation na tungan taw na phai go the best ne ba so I tungan ni lai so.
Rear of the aircraft, 4 over the wings, and 2 main doors in the forward of the aircraft. At this time, please note the emergency exit closest to you. Remember the closest exit may be behind you. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the fluorescent path to the nearest exit. A copy of the safety information card is placed in a seat pocket in front of you.
Gentlemen, we have landed at Imphal Airport. For your safety, please remain seated and use your mobile phone is now permitted. Please take care when opening the overhead compartment. Flight attendants have collected all your belongings from seat pocket and overhead bins. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. Thank you for flying with AirAsia and have a good day.